Hello friends, I'm going to talk to you about a beautiful country called Peru. This country has wonderful landscapes and abundant vegetation. It's considered one of the countries with the best cuisine in the world. Has beautiful beaches, embankments, mountains, and the Amazon jungle. And if you want to know one of the wonders of the world, I invite you to visit Machu Picchu of the ancient Inca Empire. For the traditional meals, I invite you to try the exquisite ceviche made of fish marinated in lemon, the potatoes to the huancaína made with the delicious cream with cheese, the sauteed noodles made in a combination of Peruvian and Chinese flavors. Among the traditional drinks, you can find purple chicha made with the purple corn, sugar and lemon, maracuya juice, and the pisco sour made from fermented grape.